Hi, I am again here, but now we are going to do natural sciences. We did English, and now we are going to do natural sciences. So we are going to continue with our book. The third term book is Matter, Energy and Technology. So we'll continue in Unit 5 with a topic related to matter. ¿Vale? Mirad, os decía en inglés que vamos a continuar ahora. Hicimos el otro día una pequeña introducción con un vídeo que yo os mandé la semana pasada para ver qué es esto de la materia. Por si a alguien le queda alguna duda, la materia es todo lo que nos rodea. Matter is everywhere and matter is everything. La materia está en todas partes y es todo. Everything is made of matter. Todo está hecho de materia. And objects can be different materials and they have different properties. Entonces, los objetos están hechos de diferentes materiales y tienen diferentes propiedades. This is what we are going to learn today. So that we are going to continue with our book. Are you ready to continue? Yes. So I am going to minimize the screen, right? And we are going to continue with our book here. Here we have on page, let me see, because I need my glasses. On page 7 here, because we did these last week, como esta ya la hicimos la semana pasada, we are going to do this page, these activities today. And first of all, we are going to listen and match. You know that we always match with different colors. You need colored pencils. Are you ready? Ready, steady, go!
Listen and match. Then write sentences. 1. Glass is transparent. 2. Rock is hard. 3. Cotton is soft. 4. Rubber is flexible. 5. Metal is magnetic.
So here we have different characteristics, properties of these materials. I am going to play it again. I am going to stop every time for every number.
Listen and match.
And I'll repeat.
Then write sentences. 1. Glass is transparent.
Glass is transparent. Repeat, please. Glass is transparent.
2. Rock is hard.
Rock is hard. Repeat, please. Rock is hard.
3. Cotton is soft.
Cotton is soft. Now repeat. Cotton is soft.
4. Rubber is flexible.
Rubber is flexible. Repeat, please. Rubber is flexible.
5. Metal is magnetic.
Metal is magnetic. Now you repeat. Metal is magnetic. So here we have the materials: glass, rock, cotton, rubber, and metal. You have to match with the name of the property. For example, glass is transparent. And then you have to write the sentence. Glass is transparent. Okay? Here, because you can say, oh, but how can I write rock? how can I write cotton? Or how can I write rubber? Or how can I write metal? Here you have cotton. You have these materials, you have them on these pages. Paper, metal, plastic, cotton, glass, wood. Maybe you can't see rock. You can't see rock, but rock is very easy. It's R-O-C-K, rock, okay? Rock, R-O-C-K, rock. Cotton, rubber, rubber like a rubber, a glass rubber, R-U-B-B-E-R, okay? And metal, you have metal here, okay? So this is very easy. Now in activity 7, you have to test and match. It's like an experiment, okay? So maybe you need 2 cups full of water and you have to test if paper floats or sinks, if metal floats or sinks, if plastic floats or sinks, if cotton floats or sinks, if glass floats or sinks, and if wood floats or sinks. Ya sabéis, no hace falta que os lo explique, pero por si a alguien le ha quedado alguna duda, float significa flotar and sink significa hundirse. So you have to practice at home. It's like an experiment. This is a funny activity. You can try. Sorry, moms. Lo siento, mamis, pero a ver si pueden hacer este pequeño experimento. Que utilicen 2 vasos de plástico con agua. Si pueden ser transparentes, mejor, para que ellos vean si el papel flota o se hunde, si el metal flota o se hunde, si el plástico flota o se hunde, si el algodón flota o se hunde, si el cristal flota o se hunde y si la madera flota o se hunde. 2 important actions, verbs. The verb float, flotar, and the verb sink, hundirse. All right? And then in activity 8, you have to color the house with a waterproof roof. And what is waterproof? Pues waterproof es a prueba de agua. Es como los chubasqueros, impermeables. El agua no puede pasar a su través. This means waterproof. All right? So, is this house waterproof? Or is this house waterproof? Look at the kid. Here the kid is wet. And here the kid is dry. So, which house has got a waterproof roof? Roof es el tejado. Entonces, ¿qué casa tendrá un tejado impermeable a prueba de agua? Esto también es muy facilito, ¿vale? And now, to end with this lesson, we are going to read this text about materials, in which you are going to know why some materials float and some materials sink. Vamos a ver por qué algunos materiales flotan y por qué otros materiales se hunden. Are you ready? So listen to this gap.
Page 7.
Some materials float and some sink. Plastic and wood float. Metal and glass sink. There are many types of materials, but only some are waterproof. Waterproof materials are water resistant. They don't let any water through. Objects made from rubber or plastic are waterproof because they don't let water through.
All right, now I am going to read it again for you. All right, some materials float and some materials sink. plastic and wood float. Pues aquí ya tenemos dos ejemplos de materiales que flotan. Plastic and wood. Metal and glass sink. El metal y el cristal sink, se hunden. There are many types of materials. Hay un montón de tipos de materiales. But only some are waterproof. Pero solo algunos son impermeables. Waterproof materials are water resistant. Los materiales impermeables son resistentes al agua. Es como los relojes que tenéis, que muchos decís, el mío es resistente al agua. This is water resistant. Waterproof. Es impermeable o a prueba o resistente al agua. They don't let any water through. They don't let any water through. O sea, no dejan pasar nada de agua. Objects made from rubber or plastic are waterproof because they don't let water through. Entonces aquí nos dice por qué el plástico y la goma son impermeables. Pues porque no dejan pasar el agua a su través. Por eso los chubasqueros, los paraguas están hechos de ese material. Porque si no, imaginaos un paraguas que no fuese impermeable. No tendría ningún sentido, no sería un paraguas, sería un adorno, pero no nos haría la función de parar el agua, nos calaría, ¿vale? Entonces, materiales como rubber, que sabéis que es goma, o plastic, o el plástico, are waterproof, ¿ok? Alright, so this is the class so far. We have finished the natural sciences class and you have to do the whole page, okay? So I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye, take care.